Welcome to Linux Help tutorial. I am going to explain about how to install ClampTK in Ubuntu 16.04. ClampTK is a graphical user interface for ClamAV. ClamAV is an antivirus program for Linux. This antivirus program is used to find and remove the viruses that may cause several damages to the system. Now we can see the installation of ClamTK. First, you need to download the ClamTK installation package from the following link. Here's the download link. I'll copy this link and paste it in the terminal. Now I'm going to use the wget command. Wget. Now paste the link. Now give enter. Now the package is getting downloaded. Now the package is downloaded. Now we need to install the gdb package. The command is apt-get install gdb and give enter. Now give us to download and install the packages. This will take some time. Now the packages are installed. Now we can install the ClamTK package. The command is gdb space the downloaded package name. It is ClamTK. The version name .debian. Now give enter. Now give us to install the package. Now the package is getting installed. This will take some time. Now the package is installed. Now to open the ClamTK, just type ClamTK and give enter. Now you can see the ClamTK application is opened. Here you can see the antivirus signatures are outdated. Now we need to update the antivirus signatures. Now we can see how to update the antivirus signature. Now close the virus scanner and now type the command fresh clam. Now give enter. Now you can see the ClamAV installation is outdated, so it is updating the ClamAV signatures. This will take some time. Now the antivirus signatures are updated. You can see the database is updated. Now we can open the ClamTK. Now again type the command ClamTK. Now the virus scanner is open. Now we can see there is no message in the bottom. Now we can see the settings that are available in the ClamTK. Now double click the settings. Now we can see if we want to scan the directories recursively, we need to tick the scan files and directories recursively. And if you want to scan files larger than 20 MB, you need to tick this. And if you want to scan all the files that has the dot in front of the file, that are hidden files, you can tick this and click back. And if you want to schedule the scan, you can click the scheduler and schedule your scan. And if you want to set the schedule for the antivirus signature, you can set this time here. If you don't want to scan a particular directory or file, you can add that file or directory in the whitelist here. And the infected file can be moved to the quarantine, or you can delete the infected file. Here you can manage the quarantine files. And this is the history. You can view the previous scan history here. If you want to update the antivirus signature, you can update here. And I'm going to scan a directory now. I have to scan the user1 directory. Click OK. You can see the scanning is completed. It scanned the 115 files that are available in user1 and there are no threads found. Now click close. In this way you can scan your directories and files in your system to secure the system from the unwanted files. The ClamTK virus scanner is successfully installed in Ubuntu 16.04. Thank you for watching.